See how it's on his back now? Hit the same move. I'm in this position. He grabs my foot, or sometimes I can shove his hand up. I drop my knee, and I can pass the leg that way. That's another way to get it. But sometimes what I'm doing is this. Another way to set this up where we were going over gripping it, I'll grip it. Hey, watch. I'll grip it, and if I can get this over, so basically I'm gripping it, if I can get this through. See the difference? I'm here, I got a hand grip. I'll pass this off, and I'll pull this through. See how it's on his back now? See, all I did was one, I'm already holding it. I can pass it from here, or I'm getting this behind it. So I already got it this far. I'm shoving it. I pull his hand on behind his back, and I just pull it up. And it's a shoulder lock. It's a really mean shoulder lock. I can get this from a regular guillotine. He blocked it. I am falling to the side, and I grip his arm. See how I'm here? So he's grabbing my hand. I go under and pull his arm real far up. I grip it. Look, pull. Behind.